An inequality is a number sentence containing a less than, a greater than, a less than or equal to, a greater than or equal to, or a not equal to sign. Inequalities may be true or false. Any value for the variable that makes an inequality true is called a solution. The set of all solutions is called the solution set. Let's look at this example. It's asking us to determine whether the given number is a solution of x is less than or equal to 4. In this first example, they're letting x equal -3, so we'll replace the variable with -3 in this inequality. And since -3 is less than or equal to 4, we would answer that this is true and a solution. In the next example, x is equal to 9. So replacing x with 9 gives us the following inequality. Since 9 is not less than or equal to 4, we would say false, and 9 is not a solution. The third problem has us replacing x with 4, which gives us the inequality 4 is less than or equal to 4. And since 4 equals 4, this would be true, and 4 would be part of our solution set.